In this lecture, we will talk about glucose breakdown in a cell cytoplasm. So this diagram represents a cell and the cytoplasm or the cell organelle. So what is glucose breakdown? We will see one by one. So this is a simple diagram how glucose molecule breaks down to provide energy. So in a cytoplasm, first of all, glucose molecule breaks down into pyruvate. Pyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule, and when glucose molecule breaks down, it produces 2 molecules of pyruvate. However, this pyruvate can be utilized for different purpose, or there are different ways this pyruvate can be utilized for production of the energy or different compound. So breakdown of pyruvate can happen in 3 ways. First of all, in the presence of oxygen, right? In the presence of oxygen, first of all, in the presence of oxygen, right? In the mitochondria produces carbon dioxide, water, and energy. That energy is in the form of adenosine triphosphate molecule. The second way that pyruvate produces energy is in the lack of oxygen. When there is a lack of oxygen, specifically in our muscle cell, when we do strenuous workout, there is less oxygen available for the breakdown of pyruvate or glucose. In that scenario, lactic acid is produced and energy is given out along with the energy. In third case scenario, that is the absence of oxygen, pyruvate molecule breaks down into ethanol, carbon dioxide, or energy. This ethanol is nothing but a ethyl alcohol. Okay, we will see one by one what is the ATP, what is the use of lactic acid, and what is the ethanol. So first of all, we will see the pyruvate. So pyruvate, as I said earlier, is a molecule that is derived from the glucose in the cytoplasm. But pyruvate is the first step to produce the energy. Okay, so as written here, one molecule of glucose breaks down into 2 molecules of pyruvate. Okay, the second point is that on the entry to the mitochondria, pyruvate is converted to the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen, of course. So this is about the pyruvate. Let us now see about the ATP, energy currency of the cell. ATP is the adenosine triphosphate. It is an organic compound, also called as the energy currency of the cell. It is also called as the energy currency of the cell because energy is stored in the form of ATP molecule. This ATP molecule provides energy to drive many processes such as muscle contraction, nerve impulses, and other chemical processes that happen inside the cell. Ethyl alcohol, widely known as ethanol, grain alcohol, or drinking alcohol, is found in alcoholic beverages. It is produced when glucose is fermented with the yeast. So yeast is nothing but a fungi, single-celled fungi. It breaks down glucose in the absence of oxygen to produce ethanol or ethyl alcohol. We famously call it as a fermentation process. Yeast feeds on sugar, making this secretion most likely factor in the overweight. People with diabetes also have an increased level of glycogen, a polysaccharide that body uses to store glucose. So that is why people with diabetes have frequent fungal infections and they are very difficult to treat because they have a lot of glucose available in their body in the form of glycogen. So next is lactic acid. Lactic acid is produced in the muscles when we do intense exercise, and in that case, because we perform very intense exercise, the things happen so fast that muscles do not get enough oxygen. In that scenario, muscles build up or muscles produce lactic acid, and that lactic acid causes a discomforting situation or discomforting feeling and produces cramps in the muscles. Lactic acid also produced during the physical activity in the heart muscles, which can also result in the fatal cardiac arrest. Fatal cardiac arrest. All right. So this is all about cellular processes and the breakdown of glucose. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe, and please support me. Of